Hello, my name is Logan Klingler, and this is my Materials Science and Manufacturing final project. Well, actually, this is only half of it. When I started thinking about what kind of mechanism I wanted to make, I came to the conclusion that I wanted to make something to drive a machine, not just the machine. So I did both. I present the 3-pole DC motor, designed and built nearly from scratch by yours truly. I know you may be thinking, did he really build a motor just for this project? Well, before this project was announced, I wouldn't have been able to tell you how a motor works, let alone how to make one. My knowledge aside here, let's talk about the manufacturing of these devices. The linear camshaft is made from 3D printed parts, 2 steel pins, 2 bearings, and M3 screws. The motor itself is 3D printed parts, M3 screws, bearings, steel pins, and a steel shaft, along with a few more things, notably the graphite brushes, the copper foil, which acts as the commutator, the magnet wire on the inside, and the neodymium magnets, which act as the stators. It works. I am absolutely shocked that this thing will turn, and also drive the mechanism. Anyway, here's 30 volts. A little noisy, yes, but it turns. I didn't think I would actually be able to get it done, and it drives the mechanism quite nicely. And that is my project. Thank you for watching.